Okay. This is the 213 test review for chapter 3. First thing we want to do, now you notice this is the original function, the first and the second derivatives, and they're all given to you in factored form. So I look at the domain. Well, the domain is all real numbers, and that's because there's no radicals and there's no denominator. So we're dealing with all real numbers. Next thing is x-intercepts. Well, x-intercepts, that's where y is 0, or 4x cubed minus x to the 4th equals 0. Greatest common factor of x cubed, 4 minus x equals 0. So x is 0, x is positive 4. So there were two x-intercepts, 0, 0, and 4, 0. Y-intercept, that's where x is 0. So we're looking at 4 times 0 cubed minus 0 to the 4th, which is 0. So we're looking at 0, 0. The next thing we want to do is look at extrema. Now this comes as we're dealing with f prime. So we're given that f prime of x equals 4x squared times 3 minus x. We set that equal to 0. We get 0 and 3 are critical numbers. This is multiplicity 2, so there's no change. This is multiplicity 1, change. So that means that 3 is either a max or a min, and 0 is neither. So I move to my number line, and 0 and 3. Pull a test point, my second favorite, x equal 1. And we have 4 times 1 squared, 3 minus 1, that's positive. There is no change across 0, change here, so this is positive, this is positive, this is negative. So increasing till I get to 3, decreasing afterwards, and increasing followed by decreasing. 3 is a max. Now we're just looking for the x values at this point. So local maximum is at x equals 3. There is no minimum. Increasing from minus infinity to 3. And decreasing from 3 to infinity. Now we deal with inflection points, concave up, concave down. Again, increasing and decreasing is f prime. Inflection point, that's f double prime. Concave, f double prime. So f double prime is 12x times 2 minus x. Set that equal to 0. 0 and 2 are my critical numbers. They're both multiplicity 1. That means there's a change across both of them. They are both inflection points. So this guy has 2 of them. And so if I put this on the number line, 0 and 2, pull my favorite test point, there's change and change. So choose x equal 1. And this is 12 times 1, 2 minus 1. Well, that's positive. Negative, negative. So concave down, concave up. Concave up, concave down. So we are looking at concave down from minus infinity to 0. Then changes to concave up, 0 to 2. Then changes back to concave down from 2 to infinity. I have inflection points at x equals 0 and x equal 2.